A tense exchange erupted in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly today between Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Leader of the Opposition Mukul Sangma over the implementation of the Inner Line Permit or ILP. The confrontation began after the opposition sought a clear yes or no reply on whether the state had stopped pursuing the ILP with the centre. The Chief Minister objected to interruptions and said the issue was too complex for a binary answer, assuring that the government continued to follow up the matter with the Union Home Ministry. He stated that the focus was on strengthening legal mechanisms, including ILP and other existing laws, to regulate entry and prevent illegal infiltration. He also criticized the previous government for allegedly not pursuing the issue effectively. The exchange highlighted the continued sensitivity of the ILP debate in the state of Meghalaya.
My appreciation. Now, this restricted area permit which was issued by MHA for all the foreigners traveling to Northeast. In fact, there was a time when the states from the Northeast wanted this restricted area permit, which is required to be availed by all the foreigners traveling to Northeast in order to promote high-end tourism footfall. Because when we are talking about, look at the application of this law. This application of law is designed to ensure that any foreigner coming, whether an European or Western, whoever, will require this restricted area permit. That has restricted the tendency of the travelers to look at Northeast because there is an advisory issued by the ministry, the embassy is concerned. So it is just contrary to what exactly is required to be done. But having said this, I would like to get a very categorical reply from the Honorable Chief Minister. In view of this reply, whether then the government, the state government has given up its endeavor and effort to pursue with Government of India in as far as application of ILP in the state of Meghalaya is concerned?
Sir, I've already answered that question. I have been very clear that our objective is to find a mechanism.
No, my question is
Sir,
whether it has given up pursuing with the Government of India in as far as ILP.
Sir, let Honorable LO realize that I'm replying. Please ask him to let me reply. He should not interfere.
Sit down, please.
Please don't interfere. I did not interfere. I did not interfere. Sir, this is incorrect. When I'm replying, the LO should not interfere.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the reply should be yes or
Sir,
no.
I am replying. Please.
Please sit down.
If the Honorable LO wants to reply, I will reply.
Please sit down, please.
Sir, I will give the detailed reply because this is a sensitive topic. If he does not, you have the passion. I keep repeating, sir, they have passion to bring out the subjects, but they don't have the patience to listen to the reply. What kind of a attitude is that, sir? I respect the passion you have, but have the patience to listen.
I'm done. Okay.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the question is very clear. Whether, in view of this reply, whether the state government has given up pursuing with Government of India in as far as demand for application of ILP in the state of Meghalaya is concerned, yes or no?
Sir, I will give the reply as per what I think is correct. Just because he says that it should be yes or no, it doesn't work like that. I will reply so that the House is satisfied. Sir, I have replied earlier also, and I'm repeating again, sir, that we are looking at a mechanism. We need to understand it is not about ILP, it is not about MRSSA, it is not about the Foreigners Act. It is about creating a mechanism to be able to restrict the entry of foreigners and to be able to find a way where illegal immigration is curbed. That is the purpose. We have to realize that. Now, government has pursued the ILP. We have met Home Minister multiple times. The government continues to pursue it. And we are seeing the aspect, every time we go, we get reply that examination is going on, it's being examined. So when we'll get this reply, we say, well, is there another way to do it? Because objective is, as I said, is to create a mechanism. So if the Foreigners Act can give us this mechanism, then we will pursue this also. So yes, let me reply to the Honorable LO that we are pursuing all possible ways. We are committed to ensure that illegal immigration is curbed. Whether it's ILP, whether it's the Foreigners Act, we will pursue. The earlier governments could have done it. But they did not. Why? Why did they not look at this aspect?
Okay, that's enough.
It is our government that has done it.
The court's contention was that in absence of proper guidelines framed in order to implement this, or rather operationalize this facilitation center, it should be stopped. That is what is the operational part of the order of the court.
What is the question, please?
So therefore, he has misled the House, saying that this has been completely, MRSSA has completely failed to withstand the scrutiny of judiciary. No, it has not.
Sir, I never said that the whole act.
Let,
So he's
No,
interfered,
therefore-
he's interfered before when I was speaking, sir. So I will replicate that now. I did not say that. He's putting words into my mouth. I have said specifically that the entry-exit gates, that aspect was not in the act, but it was there in the rules. So therefore, anything in the rules should be backed by an act. The provision should be there in the act. It was not there. And hence it becomes difficult for us to implement an entry-exit point in the rules without the provisions being there in the act. That is the whole point, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
what is the question, please?
Therefore,
This
may
discussion
I
is long.
get a categorical assurance that particular order pertaining to this MRSSA by the Honorable High Court, as the case was disposed of, be placed on the table of the House once again.
So we will place that. We will place the specific part, provisions of the rules that were made by the government then, and also the act to show that there is no provision in the act to have any entry-exit points. So we'll put the whole set together and we'll put it on the table of the House.
The problem that we are facing, why the state wants ILP? Let all here be clear. Why the state wants ILP? Because the contribution to the influx into the state of Meghalaya doesn't come only from the foreigners. It comes from outsiders outside the state of Meghalaya. So which is why we feel that ILP is the best mechanism. Whether you like it or not, this Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 will be made applicable, because this, as has been rightly said by the leader of the House, is not a new law. It is only a modernization where India has adopted by consolidating 4 colonial era laws. So this is not a new law. This law was not made to prevent the influx in Meghalaya. This law was made to tackle the foreigners coming to India. So we are facing a very peculiar situation where the influx contributing to the state of Meghalaya comes from the foreign country and also from other states of India.
Your question, please.
So which is why even the constitution, because they used to say no, it violates the constitution, Article 19, freedom to travel
Your question,
to any
please.
part. So my
I've
question
given you
is
enough
that,
time.
no, my question is that I would like, a sincere reply from the government, whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written, and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister? How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home
I've
Minister?
not had
Are
the
you so
opportunity
serious? Please,
to
some
meet
reply.
because I'm
if
just
you
an
are serious
MLA.
about ILP. And let me assure the Honorable Member and the House that we have not stopped pursuing the ILP. Let me make it very clear. We have not stopped. We are pursuing it. But we are looking at other mechanisms also. Is there a possibility? If we don't do that, then we are not serious about what we want to do. It's because we are serious. We are pursuing all possibilities. We are pursuing all possibilities. So that is what the point is, sir. And we will continue to pursue the ILP as well as continue to look at other mechanisms through which we are able to ensure that we are able to curb the illegal immigration that could be or in the future would take place in the state. We will find mechanisms and will continue to pursue. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will not take up any more questions on this.
One more question, sir.
No,
One more question.
I'm very sorry. We
Sir,
have taken
I
up so
think
much time.
if the Honorable Chief Minister alleges me, So I need also to ask from him, how many times has the government take us into consideration and call us so that we can together move to Delhi? And for the benefit of the August House, I would like to tell you, sir, that our MP had raised this issue. So I have another question, sir. Why I'm saying that this government is not serious at all, though they keep repeating that they are serious. When the President of India, through his presidential order, adopt the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act in 2019, where they passed the resolution here, what was the government doing? Because this presidential order is unconstitutional according to Article 372, where, let me read out this portion. I don't want to take much time. Sir, nothing in clause 2 shall be deemed to empower the president to make any adaptation or modification of any law after the expiry of 3 years from the commencement of this constitution. So what has the government done? Has the government written to the government of India challenging this presidential order? So that is my question, sir. So all these make us to believe, sir, that the government is not serious. And I would love if the Honorable Chief Minister would invite us, would call us also to move together to fight. Because when you are giving the option to the government of India, now you are giving an option, ILP light. That means whether you give ILP or you don't give anyone resemble to ILP. That is a weak negotiation, sir. So let us negotiate in a better way, sir. If you really want to get ILP and bring ILP into our state, sir.
Sir. No, please,
Sir, you cannot deprive my right. How can you deprive my right? Please abide by the rule. Please, sir. Please abide by the rule.
One question, please.
No, not one, not two, not three. 5 at least.
No. That is not
Sir,
possible.
please.
We have taken time. You may ask one question.
No, not one. Okay, if satisfied, then I'll do what you ask me. Okay. Sir, let me recall, let me remind the House.
To the question.
This is not the one. This is the need. So we had been fooled by the state government, by the central government from time to time. Stop fooling. Please stop fooling from now onwards. We cannot compromise
What is your question?
this very present generation with the future generation.
Mr.
with
Speaker,
due
sir,
respect-
Mr. Speaker,
No.
sir,
Please, if you are
if the honourable
serious.
member Adalbat says that we are fooling, can you please produce that allocation you made? That
Sir,
we are
7
fooling.
years.
What do you mean by saying we are fooling?
7
So
years.
I really wanted some justification
Sir,
on that.
7 years.
What do you mean by saying fooling,
2019 had
sir?
been
Through you,
passed a
Mr. Speaker,
resolution
sir. Let
in the
him
House.
prove it. Let him prove it. He can't just say this.
2019
Sir,
had been passed a
if
resolution
anybody is
in this
fooling,
August House.
if anybody is
Sir,
fooling, it is
if-
he who is fooling, sir.
Okay.
And again, how many times has he gone? How many times has he also met Home Minister?
Please sit down.
If anybody is fooling, sir, it is he who is fooling the people. Every time
one can
he comes
fool
up and
people.
says all
Some
these
people.
points. But never in his
One
life
can feel some
has
of
he
the
met
time.
Honorable Home
Some of
Minister
the people
and
from
written
the
about
time, all
ILP
the
ever.
people, all the time.
So only, sir,
With
only
due
talking
respect.
and not
With due
preaching
respect, sir.
and are not practicing
Sir,
what you
with due
preach.
respect,
It's
sir,
not the
please.
way, sir.
Please sit down. Please sit
Please,
down.
with due respect, only one
Please sit
suggestion
down.
because
Please sit
I had spoke every time.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. The question hour is over. The question hour is over. The question hour is over. Please sit down. Please sit down.